Since full-size SUVs need to do it all, towing, whether it be a trailer, boat or RV, is high on that list of demands. That's why the all-new Sequoia offers up to an impressive 9,000 pound maximum towing capacity, a nearly 22% increase over the prior generation. Towing can be an intimidating proposition for some drivers. Not to worry, towing becomes a less daunting task thanks to impressive technology available on Sequoia. The Tow Tech package, available on all grades but standard on TRD Pro and Capstone, offers a suite of features that include trailer backup guide to aid in backing up the SUV with a trailer, and straight path assist, which helps provide steering control to keep the trailer straight on its intended path when backing up.